Hello friends, in this video we are going to see what are the new features that Magento has released in the latest version. So we will compare that one, right? We will open one side the latest version of Magento and the other side Magento 2.4.3. Let's check what exactly the functionality that they gonna be different. Localhost Magento 2.4, Magento 2.4, no, I think demo Magento. Okay, let's open it. Let's check which the version it is. So it's 2.4.3 and latest version is 2.4.4. Let's check what the difference between of both of them. You can see that in the payment methods we have only restrict payment methods, that is check, bank transfer, cash on purchase and the PayPal, right? And in the previous version of that, go to the stores configuration and we have sales, we have payment methods, right? So we have other payment methods, Klarna, Amazon Pay. These payment methods are Braintree, right? These payment methods are not used in the latest version, means that bundling of these payment methods are free, that you need to download these payment methods from the marketplace of the Magento. No more these payment methods are available to the core vendor folders, right? You can see that these modules are not available in Magento 2.4.4, which makes it even lot easier, or like not heavier, you can say light, right? So these modules are not here by default. You can say PayPal is there, rest of the modules like Klarna or something like that, Amazon Pay, that's not there, right? And what they have written more, so in the latest version, their session IDs are not longer stored in the database. That's okay. And validations has been strengthened to prevent the upload non-alphanumeric file extensions. Added reCAPTCHA, coupon codes. Let's see what the coupon codes they are asking. So let's check the where they have journal, catalog, coupon code. I think catalog will have the coupon code. No, 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 no. There is captcha, the security, Google reCAPTCHA front end. Okay, this is storefront. Enable customer login. Please note reCAPTCHA is to be enabled the valid Google API. Login, password, create account, contact us, product. Enable for the newsletter subscription. Send to enable checkout for placing order. Braintree from. This is 2.4.3, and let's check the this one security. See, there's a one more difference, that is enable for coupon codes. In the latest version 2.4.4 there would be enable for coupon codes, but 2.4.3 doesn't have enable for coupon codes, right? This don't we don't have in the previous version of, that's the difference. Okay, what next we have the HTTP is now level by default Magento open source. Okay, and I think the security that they have added on PHP 8.1 and the latest PHP unit they have used. Okay, and GraphQL queries they have modified and used Elasticsearch with OpenSearch they have added. This is the Magento 2.4 provides Elasticsearch 7.1.6 and OpenSearch 1.2, right? They have the new jQuery libraries and everything. Or TinyMSC has been 4 is removed and upgrade. Let's check that page builder they have also updated. So this is 2.4 pages. We can check any one pages, select and edit. So content, this is the basic page builder. In the this one content pages. Okay, select any of the pages, edit. content, edit. So we what we have next, we have this one, media, slider map. What else we have in this version? Add content. So see, in add content, and here you can see in add content media, they have add content, we have block and products. Media, what they have, yeah, they have these things. And row, column. So what they have done with the latest version, I think the page builder, they have to do something. Page builder, this is, merchants can now add alternative text, all text to the images, image, banner, slide, to enhance the content accessibility. Let's check. This is my this page. Okay, let's go back and uh, hit another page. Pages, home page, edit, content, edit with page builder. So we are going to add the media, image. Now we can create a row, image, select from gallery, banner, message, browse, test.png, add selected, settings. This is image caption, alternative text, title, attribute, the search engine. Yeah, this is that much. Save. Okay, this is previous one. Let's check the this page. Let's add the row over here. Okay, add the images, upload image. Okay, settings, link you this is link URL, product category. And here you can see that if I go to the settings, okay, link URL, yeah, both of the same. Image caption, what else, alternative text, all text. How I can gonna be use the all text? But this is the latest one. How I gonna let's check what exactly they are saying. Merchants can allow to add alternated text, all text to the images, image banner slider, to enhance the this one. But here I am not getting the any kind of slider. Maybe where is the slider? Settings, slide name, background. This background size, background position, message text. Okay, button text, over text, alternative text, title, attribute. Maybe this is all text made, might be, but I don't think so. But if it is there, then there would be the same one, image caption and all. Then what is the difference in that? No, I don't think so. They have add alternative text to the images to enhance the content accessibility. Okay, and what else? Magnifying glass icon that is used to execute searches throughout the product interface has been assigned to accessible name. Rich text editor toolbar can now be accessed using the tab key. This this item has a weight select input of the catalog product detail page now has visible labels and accessible name. This item has weight. Okay, okay, okay. Catalog product page visible, accessible. Okay. So backend invalid security to refresh the page. Administrator can now log in to admin deployment which custom admin path is configured, secret key is enabled. Previously Magento's open source displays this error invalid security key form to please refresh the page. Yes, that's the issue that all every time we are getting. So I will explain what exactly it is. See, if I log out and log in, it always says invalid security form, refresh the page. If I'm going to log out this one, close this, log out, admin, here you can see the message is not there, right? So that is the version difference, that for 2.4.1 this is not happening, and that is correct. Okay, so what next? Bundle products. So they have the bundle products added. They have cache. Page cache no longer grows rapidly. Typical use. Placing order no longer. Cart. Okay. Date time attribute. When a mass attribute update action product grid, when product has a date time attribute. GraphQL queries they have modified. Catalog rule, configurable products, add configure. Now you can use the add configurable products to cart maturation to add configurable product to the cart on a non-default store view. Customer admin locales during the order creations, prevention order details such as customer address attributes work properly on the website only in the multi-site. Email they have done, frameworks and journal fixes they have done, right? GraphQL generate query and report rework set billing address to the cart. So that's that much they have implemented. Image, what image they have run? Watermark images with the transparent backgrounds no longer have white background on the transparent product image that overlays. Previously, when both watermark image and the product image had a transparent background, the watermark was displaced with a white background. Okay. Logos for invoices and shipping recipients are now uploaded and displayed as expected when AWS S3 is enabled. The media tag is served with the image added to the CMS page deployment where the admin is set to different domain to the store URL. Created expectedly media tags and this. Import and export no longer fails where file names are similar. Import no longer fails with a message import failed area code not set before setting. Okay. Now you can import successfully where after running the command config dump manually edit config.php. Now you can import successfully, import and export successfully, manually editing the config.php. Okay. This point that is very important. Magento Open now displays the error administrator read only. Pubs Media tries to set the product detail page for product that included images. Previously, Magento source through a PHP error. JavaScript they have updated. Libraries, library upgrades underscore .js, invoices, logging, Adobe, PHP unit, media gallery. Command no longer fails in deployment where AWS is able. Newly added media gallery content subtitle menus are displayed when the menu items exceeds 11 and enable old media gallery. Loading time of media gallery tab when editing a product when images loaded have improved. Okay. So these are the tests they have added. Order payment methods. We already discussed about the payment methods. PayPal performance they have increased. Here, product video, Magento open source now enables a save button and auto completes the fields when you enter an incomplete URL. When adding a video, previously the save button was disabled and the fields are not populated. So this is the new one. Reviews, the product list view now displays the correct state rating of products. Okay. Sales, storefront account, my account, order view, order page. Previously Magento displays HTML tags in the storefront customer order comment section. Theme, there are a lot more things that they have used. So for now, that is the main that we can say that what exactly we have benefited with that. They have upgraded the libraries, that is okay for the speed optimization. Second, vendor bundling for the payment methods that we have checked, enabling the coupon codes, and what else we have learned, that is one small part that I forget is page builder we have checked. Mm, yeah, that's it for now. And you can also compare like which is it correctly, it is really, it happens, it has a version, it has the that point that they have mentioned. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.